As an expecting mother, you're often grappling with a host of questions and doubts about various aspects of your day-to-day life. If you love gardening, you might find yourself questioning whether it's safe to continue with this hobby during your pregnancy. In today's video, titled Gardening When Pregnant, Safe and Fun Gardening Techniques for Expectant Mothers, we're going to alleviate these concerns and provide you with safe, enjoyable ways to pursue your gardening passion while cherishing the miraculous journey of motherhood. 1. Understanding the concerns. The first phase of our discussion delves into understanding the concerns that are associated with gardening during pregnancy. While it's a fulfilling hobby, gardening involves certain elements that can be a source of worry for expectant mothers. The physical exertion of bending over or lifting heavy pots, exposure to harmful chemicals, or the risk of infection from soil-based pathogens can pose potential health risks. However, with the right measures in place, you can happily continue gardening while ensuring your and your baby's safety. 2. Safe gardening techniques. Next, let's explore the safe gardening techniques that you can employ. Using a gardening stool or a kneeling pad, for instance, can mitigate the strain on your back when you're planting seedlings or weeding. When you need to move large pots or heavy bags of compost, consider using a wheelbarrow or ask for assistance to prevent overexertion. Don't forget to protect your skin from potential scrapes and cuts by wearing sturdy gloves, and shield your face from harmful sun rays by wearing a hat and applying sunscreen. 3. Chemical-free gardening. A significant concern for pregnant women is exposure to harmful chemicals. The third section of our video focuses on embracing a chemical-free gardening approach. Opt for organic alternatives such as compost or worm castings instead of synthetic fertilizers. Look for natural methods to deter pests, like attracting beneficial insects or using homemade organic sprays, instead of resorting to chemical pesticides. Most importantly, no matter what you're handling, always ensure you wash your hands thoroughly post-gardening to minimize any risk of infection. 4. Handling potential infection risks. Despite the joy gardening brings, it's crucial to understand the potential infection risks it can present, particularly in relation to toxoplasmosis, a rare but potentially serious infection that can be contracted from soil. We'll guide you on how to manage such risks effectively, which includes the use of gloves to prevent direct contact with soil and diligent hand washing after every gardening session. 5. The benefits of gardening while pregnant. The fifth part of our video sheds light on the various benefits of gardening during pregnancy. Gardening is a great way to stay physically active, can greatly contribute to stress reduction, and allows you to bask in the freshness of the outdoors. The process of nurturing your garden can mirror the nurturing journey of your pregnancy, resulting in a unique therapeutic bonding experience. 6. Consult your healthcare provider. Lastly, we'll emphasize the importance of consulting with your healthcare provider before indulging in gardening or any physical activity during your pregnancy. Every pregnancy is unique, and getting a nod from your healthcare provider will ensure you're not putting yourself or your little one at risk. As we conclude, we'd love to hear from you, the expecting mothers. What's your favorite gardening activity, and how have you adapted it to suit your current condition? Do share your experiences in the comments section below. We hope you found our video, Gardening When Pregnant, Safe and Fun. Gardening Techniques for Expectant Mothers, enlightening and reassuring. With some mindful adjustments and precautions, you can continue enjoying the therapeutic world of gardening while anticipating the joyous arrival of your new little family member. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.